Hello and welcome to episode 1 of a Let's Player. I think we're back. This is so embarrassing. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm playing Minecraft. Let's go. Oh, I'm stuck on this. Stupid. Let's get out of here. Come on, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. So messy. Alright. Can't see anything. Nice music. Alright. This is comfy. Very cool. I'm gonna start crafting. Okay, we got some wood. Oh. It's weird. Where is it? Where's my wood? Come on, Woody. Come on. Oh. Dig. Dig. How deep does this go? I'm mining this time. Oh, look, some thingies. Where is this? Oh! Oh! Where's that noise coming from? It's a creeper. Oh. Let's figure out how to kill this creeper. Okay, I may have screwed up here. I'm trapped in this hole. I'm such an idiot. Let's dig our way up. Yeah. It's the old Simpsons logic. Oh, where did it go? Oh. I hope everyone is safe from the virus. What is that noise? Some gargling noise. Okay. Ugh. Shit. Can't even see what I'm doing. Alright. Getting there. I'm very scared. What is that? There you are, little guy. Come back. Oh, I'm a monster hunter now. That was very fun. Okay, let's go back. I can't see anything. Where is everything? This was a mistake. I'll just keep jumping and clicking. I think my game froze. I just buried myself alive, didn't you?